Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, this has built-in camera that you can talk through. It has two-way audio. You can see it has LED lights for the night vision, and you can talk through from the application. Once you hear any notification, you can just open and talk through and listen what's going on. And you can see it has a view through the feeder, whatever amount of food left inside, you can easily see, and you can just see whenever the time to just add the food. You can see on the bottom it has some like holes which like drains the water. If there is like rain or something like that, it's just gonna drain everything instead of just puddling up. You have also this water container, you can put water here, and you can also place some fruit, vegetables, and for the hummingbirds if you have around, which we don't have around, but I just put it to show you guys. So very easy operation. You can see I just installed uh, the bracket on this piece of wood over here with like two screws, and it just stays pretty sturdy. And on the bottom you have this, you can just secure it, and it has this Wi-Fi antenna to have better strength of the Wi-Fi signal. And you can see it is really large, very like easy to fill it up, so that is really cool. And once you close it up, it is like waterproof, water doesn't go inside. And you have this solar panel. As you can see, I just installed with one screw only. There are three holes, but I just installed with one. So overall works and looks really nice. We have a bunch of those around here, so the birds really like it. I hope you guys found this useful.